My last video I broke this spork, and right there, and I was looking at it and I realized it's my fault that I broke it. I was just closing it like that, and the instructions are pretty clear that you gotta squeeze it together and then it folds up real easy. So I've got, I think, 3 more of these, so this one I'll go ahead and retire, and now that I know how to use them. So it was my fault that the spork broke, but you gotta squeeze it together. Instructions are pretty clear, they're right there. I didn't read the instructions and I broke it. But when you squeeze it, it goes real easy. So that was my fault, I broke the spork. Give it a second chance. I've got 3 more of these sporks, so I'll switch this one out with another one. And I'll take this on my next trip and see how it does. Well, I have used this spork once before, just to test and make sure it's long enough, and I liked it. Just remember, squeeze it here to fold it. Thanks for watching.